How to reset an iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can reset your iPhone 14, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to reset our iPhone 14, what we actually need to do is just go ahead and launch the settings application. Keep in mind that before you reset it, make sure you have backed up everything to your iCloud, because if you have not backed up and maybe after resetting it you want the data, you'll not be able to restore it if you have not backed up your contacts, photos and so on. So after you've done all the steps, just open settings and then go to general, and once you go to general, scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called transfer or reset iPhone. Once you tap on it, over here you'll find the option called erase all content and settings, right? You just want to make sure to tap on it, and it will ask you to simply erase your Apple ID and everything else. So over here I'll just select the option called continue. Once I select the option called continue, it'll ask me to enter my iPhone's passcode. Go ahead and then enter your iPhone's passcode. Your iPhone is going to restart and everything inside of it is basically going to get resetted as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then reset an iPhone 14. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.